complementary angles, and you're going to see this arrow a lot. It means, to me, it means adds up to 90.
Oh.
Okay? So if you see the word complementary anywhere, it adds up to 90. If you see a picture, and there's a little box here, and they have angle 1 and angle 2, angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary. Because they add up to 90, okay? So supplementary, very good. And if they tell you two angles are supplementary, usually it means it's a straight line. Angle 1 and angle 2, if they are supplementary, they add up to 180. 1 plus angle 2 equals 180, okay? And they're supplementary. So that's just easy. That second picture is also a linear pair. It's two angles coming out of the same place on a straight line. If they tell you it's a linear pair, the two angles are supplementary and they add up to 180, okay? So those are all like gossip and conclusion. You hear something, oh, then I can say this, okay? So these three angles, that 250 angle is much bigger than 180, so that's why it has that circle that goes all the way like around like that. Those three add up to the full circle, which is 360, okay? I don't really like that this kind of problem is on here because we're not ready to talk about 360 degrees, but for these three, just know the last three. So you do B plus 70 plus 250 equals 360. Everybody understand what I did?
Yeah.
Because all three add up to 360. So B plus 320 equals 360, and B equals 40 degrees. So if they want B, that's what they want.